Hey, I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV, and this is a quick tip. Let's be honest, there is nothing worse than getting in an ice-cold vehicle in the middle of winter. Luckily, every new Cadillac comes with a remote start feature, so let's show you how to use it.
The key fob must be within 60 meters, or about 200 feet, to engage the system. Press the lock button, and then immediately press and hold the start button for a few seconds. That's this guy right here. The signal lights will flash to let you know it worked, and the vehicle will start up and run for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your model. You can extend the engine runtime by another 10 to 15 minutes by repeating that same process. To stop the engine at any point, just press and hold the start button for a few seconds, and that's it. The climate control will be set to whatever temperature it was at the last time you drove. And if you want to make sure your heated seats go on every time you remote start, you can do that through the infotainment center. From the homepage, go to Settings, then Vehicle, and then Remote Lock, Unlock Start. You'll then need to scroll down and find the heated seats option and turn it on. To begin driving after a remote start, have the key inside the vehicle. Press down the brake pedal and the push button start. Your daily commute will now be nice and toasty. Make sure to stay tuned for more quick tips.